In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Huntington Bank login not working issue. Having trouble accessing your Huntington Bank account online can be inconvenient, but don't worry. I'm here to help guide you through some effective solutions to get you back on track. First, let's ensure you're using the correct login credentials. Double check to confirm that your username and password are correct, paying close attention to the possibility of typos, including uppercase versus lowercase letters, or any accidental extra spaces. If you've forgotten your login details, you can easily reset them using the forgot username or forgot password links on the login page. Additionally, you can visit the Huntington recovery page for further assistance. Next, it's important to verify your internet connection. Sometimes, weak or disrupted internet service can prevent you from successfully logging in. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. If you're using your home internet, consider restarting your router to ensure a stable connection. Clearing your browser or app cache is another step worth trying. Over time, cache files can become corrupted and cause login issues. Clearing these files often resolves these types of errors. Updating or changing your browser or app is also crucial. Make sure you're using the latest version of popular browsers like Chrome, Safari, Edge, or Firefox. If you're using the Huntington mobile banking app, check for updates in the App Store or Google Play to ensure you're running the latest version. If you use a VPN or have any browser extensions, they might interfere with your login attempts. Try disabling your VPN or any ad blockers temporarily and then attempt to log in again. Sometimes the login issue might be on Huntington's end. It's worthwhile to check if there are any outages by visiting the Huntington status page or checking sites like Down Detector for reported incidents. Security verification can also pose issues, particularly if you don't receive your one-time code. If this happens, check your spam or junk email folders to see if the message landed there. Additionally, verify that your phone number or email is current in your profile settings. If none of these steps resolve the issue, it's time to contact Huntington Customer Service. You can reach them at 800-480-2265, and they're available 24/7. The customer service team can help unlock your account, reset credentials, or provide confirmation of any bank-wide outages that might be causing the issue. I hope these steps help you successfully resolve any login problems with Huntington Bank. Remember, troubleshooting can sometimes require a bit of patience, but these solutions should cover all the bases needed to solve the problem. Thank you for watching, and good luck.